Hey friends, thanks for joining us. Today we're going to draw Chase from Paw Patrol, just like our German Shepherd, Echo. This is Keelin, this is Echo, I'm Pa, this is Echo, and right about now, let's learn to draw. Hey friends.
Hi friends.
Thanks for joining us again. Today we're going to be drawing Chase from Paw Patrol. This should be pretty fun. Alright. So this time, I'm just going to help Keelin draw, and we're just going to draw one picture of Chase. Alright. Okay. Sit up so I can see a little bit. Okay, we're going to start with his hat. And we're going to go up. And then we're going to bring it back down. Okay. And then for this line, we're going to go upwards, and then back up. We go down, up, down, and then up. So it's like an S curve. Okay. Draw his ear. Bring his ear down. Then we'll draw the inside of his ear, and it's kind of shaped like a football. Little notch in it. All right. Now, let's bring the bill of his hat down and around. Okay. And then we're going to draw right underneath. Alright. And then his other ear, we're going to bring just like that. Alright. So this one, down, in, out, back in, and then his chin. Then his neck. This. We're going to try his nose. Point on his nose, and then we're going to draw his mouth. You're crazy. Alright, we've got a big smile. Let's get our hands back in. Okay. We're going to draw his sharp teeth, right? Just like dogs do. Sharp, sharp teeth. Oh, this is looking like a mean Chase. His eyebrow here. Draw this. And we're going to mirror that on this side, hopefully. Wow! And his eyebrow. His other eye. I gotta make sure we draw his little whisker spots too. Okay? Then over here, gotta connect his side of his head down there. And then we're gonna draw the patch on his hat. He's got a paw right here. That's like an upside down heart. Alright. Let's see. Did we miss anything? I don't think so. Looking pretty good.
Yeah.
Oh, this part right there on his neck. That's gonna come up right there.
Put it on it.
He's got
Taste.
badge
No
there.
choice.
Got a star. And the bottom of it. Alright. There we go. There's Chase from Paw Patrol. Alright, you ready to color him in? Let's color. And there you go, friends. Chase from Paw Patrol. What do you think, Keelin? Is he cool? Yeah, he's cool. All right, thanks again. See you next time, friends.
See you later, friends. I don't know bit or what your taste.